Alright, let's take a look at how we can set up the PlayStation VR2 to our PS5. So you will need the main headset. It's gonna come with this USB-C cable. You will need the Sense controllers. These are the Sense controllers, and I'm gonna show you what we gotta do. So get your get your headset here. You wanna plug it in a free spot here that you have for your USB-C. Probably should have done this previously. We're just gonna plug this in. Okay, it's plugged in. Now you will have the power button right here at the top. You should see the power button, this one. So you want to press it. Once you press it, this button is gonna light up. It means that it's connected. Now what we have to do is to get our controller here, PS5 controller. Set up your immersive gaming experience. It's gonna show you this. Alright, so we're gonna set it up. We're gonna click on get started. Okay. Now connect the stereo headphones to your VR headset. These are already connected there. Pair your controllers. First connect your PSVR2 Sense controller to your PS5 using the cable. Okay, so we gotta get another USB cable apparently, and we gotta connect it to the controller. I'm just gonna get this one that I have laying around. Very professional, I know. So I'm gonna get this one, plug it in, and in you go. So I'm gonna connect it here. Okay, we've done this. Next, pair your controller by pressing the PlayStation button. So I'm gonna get and press the PlayStation button here. So I'm gonna press it. Okay, right is now paired. Next, we need to do this for the left controller as well. So honestly, I'm just gonna leave the camera facing the ground, and we're gonna do the same thing here. So I'm gonna plug it in. Okay, now we gotta press the button here, the PlayStation button on the controller. Boom. Both are connected and paired. Good, good. So now what we gotta do is unplug the USB cables. Controls, put them down within reach. When you're ready, press the function button on the VR headset to go to the next step. Okay, so now we have to unplug this. So I'm just gonna unplug the Sense controller. Okay, it's unplugged. Don't tell anyone, I live like a gremlin. Okay, it's unplugged. Now we gotta find that button. So it's gonna be this one next to the power. And you wanna press it. Okay, before use, read the health and safety warnings in the VR headset, review surroundings. Okay, we're just gonna press OK again. To enjoy a safe VR, set up your room properly. Okay. Okay, again, I'm just pressing that button, check the brightness, start checking. It's currently checking the brightness, and you will just go and keep on pressing that button. Okay, it's still checking. Follow the on-screen guide how to put your VR headset on. So essentially you have connected it now, and you get the guide on how you can put it on. And once you put it on, it's gonna ask you to set up the space where you're gonna play, and that's how you connect it to the PlayStation 5. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.